we're going to talk about viral videos.
I finally figured out what I want to be when I get older. Fucking younger. I finally figured out what I want to be when I get older. Fucking younger.
Okay.
I finally figured out what I want to be when I get older.
This cracks me up. I saw.
Okay. So what's interesting, and I'll just tell you kind of how all this came about. So the other day, sometimes I put out these reels. I started doing reels every day, and then I made a commitment that I was going to hit the reels hard. And for a minute I fell off and I was only doing like one post a week. And then I decided that it was important for me to continue posting. And then I have like 3 people working for me now. And so it gave me a little bit of extra time to be able to, to actually do content. And so I posted one that kind of surprised me in a way where it was this one, where it got 11,000 views. And that was kind of a big hit for me. And I'll just show you this one. I don't know if
it's negative, I'm busy. If it's draining, I'm busy. If it's a waste of time, I'm busy. Don't call me to waste my time. Don't send me a message to distract me. I don't want to be distracted. I'm focused on my purpose. If it's negative.
Okay, so then I did that one. I'm like, oh, interesting. That got 307 likes and a good handful of comments. And then people were actually reaching out to me that said, I shared that with like 5 people, because that one really hit me. And I was like, oh, okay, I'm onto something. And then I created a few, and maybe I got some traction, but not a ton of traction. Then I created this one. Okay, so this was a second stab. Actually, then I created this one. This is my boyfriend right here with his silly mustache.
Oh, shit. You don't know about doing whatever the fuck you want? Damn. I'm sorry, man. Hope you find that someday.
Okay. And then I was like, interesting. I started to get some traction with these things, and I could see them go viral. I could see within, if something's a hit, within every time I was refreshing, it was getting another 1,000 views. And so I was like, oh, okay, this one's got legs. Sometimes they don't have legs, and sometimes they have legs. Okay. So then I created this one.
Every day, they are something else. Motivation is the wrong word. They are not motivated. They are disciplined. People who train every day don't want to train every day. They are not motivated to train every day. They are something else. Motivation is the wrong word. They are not motivated. They are disciplined.
Okay, so I was like, interesting. And then, so I started to create more things. Okay, and I started to kind of like go, well, what is it about this one, and what is it about this one that seemed to work? And so what I realized was my face was pretty much taking up most of the screen. So my face was taking up the screen. So I was like, okay, my face needs to take up most of the screen. And